It has been said a lot in recent years that the surest way to grow a company depends on two factors: innovation and leadership. As a company, Tesla has checked the signs on both fronts and is sure to continue to see steady growth. We could end the video here as it is, but we'll break down these two factors based on Tesla's past, present, and upcoming software, technology features, brand statement, and vision. Why will Tesla stock see exponential growth in the coming weeks and years? Why are some analysts still bullish on Tesla, despite what the stock market numbers are currently saying? Everything will be revealed in today's video, so keep watching. Tesla stock is down more than 21% in the past month, far outperforming the S&P 500, which is down about 7% in the same time frame. This decline is due to heavy selling and high growth, multiple companies rising as investors prepare for tighter monetary policies and higher interest rates this year. According to past performance, Tesla shares have very good chances to rise in the next month. In the past 10 years, Tesla stock has seen a 21-day decline of 21% or more on 71 occasions, 65 of which resulted in Tesla stock increasing in the following one-month period. This historical trend suggests that Tesla stock has a 65 out of 71 chance of rising in the next month, suggesting that Tesla stock could be a more than decent option in the near term. Looking at the numbers over the past 10 years, after a 5-day move of 9% or more, the stock rose 62% of the time in the following 5 days. On 75% of the occasions, the stock moved 19% or more over the course of 10 days. The stock rose in the next 10 days 92% of the times. The stock moved 21% or more over the 21 days. The stock rose in the next 21 days. We believe that history is bound to repeat itself, but for us, it's not just about statistics, it's about what the future holds. In a recent interview, Musk said Tesla's relevance and importance is focused on two things: accelerating sustainable energy and autonomy. Musk added that accelerating sustainable energy is really crucial because this is the next potential threat to humanity. This is obviously the most important thing of all. According to Musk, self-driving cars have the potential to save millions of lives, and this is no less important. A 2017 Intel research study confirms this by saying that autonomous vehicles could conservatively save 585,000 deaths between 2035 and 2045. Musk also said that in practice with self-driving cars, you can spend time doing activities you enjoy instead of staying stuck in them. Horrific traffic. As a result, it is important that Tesla vehicles are currently equipped with the technology required for self-driving capabilities, but they will not be able to fully and effectively drive themselves until more software is installed, according to Tesla's website. With its debut, Tesla established itself as one of the few leading independent automakers and an early leader in the electric vehicle market. It was particularly well received by car buyers. The Model S, a stylish luxury sedan starting at $94,990, is the best electric car in every category. When the Model S debuted in 2013, it caused a stir as it was praised by the trade press. Tesla was not an overnight success, even though it went against popular opinion. Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, two Silicon Valley engineers, founded the company in 2003 with the goal of proving that electric cars could outperform gasoline-powered cars. Between 2004 and 2008, Tesla grew significantly and built its first car, a Roadster. Musk was appointed CEO and product engineer of the company in 2008, the same role he still holds as of February 2022. Tesla's first car, the Roadster sports car, was released in the same year. It's not just a car. Car and driver is one of the most powerful automotive statements on the road. The company now has more than 438 stores and showrooms, 100 service centers, and more than 30,000 superchargers, which are charging gateways across the US according to the website. The system is explicitly designed for short and long-distance trips without any necessary input from the user in the driver's seat. All you have to do now is get into your car and tell it where to drive. If you don't say anything, the car will check your calendar and assume you're going there or just coming home. If there is nothing on the calendar, It is impossible to predict when each of the above features will be available, as it is highly dependent on regulatory approval. In our opinion, this is innovation at its best for the foreseeable future. The advantage of being a pioneer, other than being ahead and others having to catch up, is the brand reputation that is built. Musk hinted that being one of the first names to emerge in a particular industry can only give him an edge and is a clear sign of exponential growth. The business may require a lot of giant factories to meet demand to keep the company active and shareholders happy. A huge amount of capital expenditure will be required. Moreover, demand for Tesla cars can be boosted by leasing them. Tesla cars are expensive. People will rent them at the airport, among other places. When the American car rental company Hertz added 100,000 cars to its fleet, worth $4.2 billion at published prices. Tesla claims it has not been discounted. Rent experts say Hertz's third Tesla model promises to introduce more mainstream drivers to Tesla technology. More people are likely to buy Tesla as the cost of fueling them decreases. To this end, Panasonic will provide Tesla with more powerful batteries. Panasonic has reportedly offered a new 4680 battery for Tesla electric cars, which itself is larger than the 1865 and 2170 types now used in Tesla cars. Elon Musk said during the company's Q4 2021 earnings call that the model will be built from Tesla's Gigafactory, Texas, will be equipped with the company's structural battery pack, containing the innovative 4,680 cells. Musk said that from a physics perspective, this is the ideal structure, and from an economic perspective, it is the least expensive method. Musk also noted that mass production of the 4680 would be more difficult. Tesla's cost-cutting priority is to promote mass adoption of electric vehicles, Musk said in a memo to his employees recently. Analysts expect that the new technology will change the car ownership experience, whether it is a Tesla or a competitor like General Motors, which is also experimenting with new battery technologies. The lack of batteries needed to power Tesla devices is one of the company's early problems. Tesla's Gigafactory in Sparks, Nevada, is still under development and is expected to address the company's battery crisis, with a planned area of more than 1.9 million square feet. The lithium-ion manufacturing plant will allow Tesla to increase production to more than 500,000 vehicles per year. Large projects like the Gigafactory often face logistical and organizational challenges, and it is unclear whether the factory will be completed on schedule. The Gigafactory has received approval from the Nevada state government and is estimated to generate $10 billion in additional economic activity over the next few decades. Wall Street is also excited about the impact the next generation of batteries could have as Tesla touts research on new battery technology. Lithium-ion batteries, which are also used in cell phones, are expected to be phased out in favor of lithium, iron phosphate, and other combinations in the coming years. This would lower prices, increase vehicle range to 400 miles or more per charge, and allow batteries to last 1 million miles, according to Shirley Ming, a leader in energy storage research. It has become clear that creating a long-lasting battery is feasible, and next-generation battery technology could reach million-mile capacity in the next 5 years. This would be a game-changer not only for electric vehicles, but also for the energy grid storage industry that lithium iron phosphate technology is designed to address. A significant increase in production would strengthen market cost equations. "We don't want to raise expectations and let you down," she explained, "but this is really somewhat reasonable. I hope we can get there before 2025. The future of electric cars will be shaped by lithium iron phosphate and its improved versions, which will radically change large-scale energy storage." Tesla is on its way to producing batteries, and not just those that are outsourced to a third-party manufacturer. We don't need to tell you what this will mean for the future. Elon Musk made his most optimistic comments yet about iron-based batteries, noting that Tesla is making a long-term shift toward older, less expensive lithium iron phosphate or virgin cells in energy storage products and some entry-level vehicles. Musk predicted that one day the company's batteries would be made up of 2/3 iron and 1/3 nickel in all of its products, which is actually excellent because the world is full of iron. Musk's comments reflect the shift already happening in the auto industry, especially outside of China. Nickel-based battery chemistries, such as nickel manganese cobalt, or NNC, and nickel cobalt aluminum, or NCA, have dominated due to their increased energy density. These newer formulations have caught the attention of vehicles, allowing OEMs to enhance the range of their batteries. This represents good news for the future of Tesla stock, as the company continues to foster the future in innovative technologies, and especially taking the lead, we can look forward to more growth and more great things in the future. Do you think Tesla will see a growth spurt soon? Where do you see Tesla in the next 5 years? Comment below.